In this presentation, we will explain how microeconomic concepts can be illustrated using a production possibility frontier, or PPF. Let's begin with the first concept, scarcity. Scarcity means that resources are limited. On the PPF, point A shows scarcity. The resources of the economy are not enough to produce the combination of goods shown at point A. Next, we have alternative uses. The PPF shows different combinations of goods that can be produced. Points A, B, and C represent different combinations of two goods. Now, let's move on to choice. An economy must choose one combination from the available alternatives. In this example, the economy must select a combination between B and C. Opportunity cost is the value of the next best alternative foregone. If the economy selects point A, the opportunity cost of producing 200 units of consumer goods is 50 units of capital goods. Likewise, the opportunity cost of producing 150 units of capital goods is 100 units of consumer goods. If the economy moves from point A to point B, the opportunity cost of producing 30 more units of capital goods is 100 units of consumer goods. On the other hand, if the economy moves from B to A, the opportunity cost of producing 100 units of consumer goods is 30 units of capital goods. Productive efficiency means achieving the maximum output from all resources. This can be shown by any point on the PPF. To achieve productive efficiency, an economy must have full employment and full production. Next, we have allocative efficiency. Allocative efficiency means distributing resources according to society's preferences. The condition for this is when price equals marginal cost, or P equals MC, or marginal cost equals marginal revenue, or MC equals Mr. Allocative efficiency is shown by only one point on the PPF. Marginal benefit is the gain from consuming one more unit of a good. It is the maximum price a consumer is willing to pay for that good. Therefore, marginal benefit equals price. Marginal cost is the extra cost incurred by producing one more unit of a good. Finally, when both allocative efficiency and productive efficiency are achieved, the economy is said to have economic efficiency. This concludes our presentation on microeconomic concepts using the production possibility frontier.